Hello everyone, welcome to the Readers. Today we are going to look at an easy trick to multiply any number by 11. Let's first take a simple example. Let's multiply 8 by 11. Imagine that there is 0 on the right side and left side of 8. Now we are going to add the digits from right to left. So 0 plus 8 is 8 and 8 plus 0 is 8. Therefore, 8 multiplied by 11 is 88. Let's now multiply 45 by 11. Again, we are going to imagine that there is 0 at the beginning and end of 45. Let's now start adding the digits from right to left. So 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 4, 9 and 4 plus 0, 4. Therefore, 45 multiplied by 11 is 495. Let's now multiply 476 by 11. Again, we are imagining that there is 0 at the beginning and 0 at the end of 476. Let's now start adding the digits from right to left. 0 plus 6 gives us 6, 6 plus 7 is 13, we are going to write 3 and we are going to give 1 as carry forward. Now 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 1 which we received as carry forward, so which means it is 12, we are going to write only 2 and 1 again is given as carry forward. So 4 plus 0 is 4, 4 plus 1 which we received as carry forward gives us 5. Hence 476 multiplied by 11 gives us 5236. Let's now multiply 945 by 11. So let's imagine that there is 0 before 9 and 0 after 5. Let's start adding from right to left. 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13, so 3 and 1 is given as carry forward. 9 plus 0 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. Hence 945 multiplied by 11 gives us 10,395. Let's now multiply 5,727 by 11. Again, imagine there is 0 before 5 and 0 after 7. Let's now start adding the digits from right to left. 0 plus 7 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 2 plus 7 is 9, 7 plus 5 gives us 12, so we are writing 2 and 1 is given as carry forward, and 5 plus 0 is 5 and 5 plus 1 is 6. Therefore, 5,727 multiplied by 11 gives us 62,997. Apply this trick to multiply any number by 11. Thanks a lot for watching. Kindly subscribe, like and share. If you want to learn maths tricks, kindly subscribe to our channel. And if you like our today's video, kindly hit like. If you think this video will be useful to others, kindly share. We'll catch you up again in the next video. Keep supporting us.